When it comes to your family, you can never be too prepared. It is a fact that 60% of adults are not prepared for natural disasters. Are you prepared for floods, fires, earthquakes, and emergencies? R72 products will focus on helping individuals and families prepare for the worst while also living our lives to the fullest. In an emergency situation, you may not have time to gather everything you or your family needs to be safe. You need your emergency essentials all in one place, and the R72 vest is the best place to keep those essentials. You've heard of a 72-hour kit, usually stored in a cheap backpack filled with perishable food and inadequate first aid supplies collecting dust in your basement. The R72 vest eliminates the single-use concept. Simply add or remove any of the 8 modular bags, flotation panels, and the many other accessories included for any outdoor adventure. And because it's a vest, it distributes weight evenly, lessening the pressure on your back and increasing stability. The R72 team is made up of veteran professionals from the safety, security, and recreation industries. Like you, we've personally experienced unexpected emergencies. R72 was created because recent local, national, and worldwide disasters have made us rethink how we prepare for emergencies. The R72 vest is designed to be that 72-hour kit option you need in case of an emergency, but that doesn't mean the vest has to stay tucked away in a storage room until an emergency strikes. The vest can accompany you on any adventure. Its high-quality stitching and military-grade weaving features make it both rugged and durable. We challenge you to build the 72-hour kit you need while enjoying the everyday functionality that the R72 vest provides. Thank you so much for supporting R72's crowdfunding campaign. We know you will love the R72 vest and can't wait for you to take it on your next adventure while also having peace of mind and being prepared for the future.